Hey guys, welcome back to Skank Outdoors. Something a little different. Just thought I'd share it with you. I built a saddle rack. My niece is getting ready to get her first horse, and they're building a pretty nice barn, so I wanted to give her something that was relevant to horses. The stove's got the shop too warm, there's flies out in here. So I wanted to give her something to get her excited about horses. Maybe she'll like it, maybe she won't. She definitely can't reach the top one. It can hold 3 saddles on it. It's 6.5 foot tall. I have 3 foot bases. You saw me notch those out. Put some 45 supports down there, just 8 inches long on all the 45s. It's just common white pine, not treated. Stained it. Put 6-inch lags back through the back. There's a few wood screws to hold other parts of it in. Everything is glued. I got a new tool today, one I've actually never had in all my years. I was pretty excited. I bought a router to put a 45 on it. Let me share it with you. It's not a bad deal. It's the Ryobi. They're $89. I bought this one today. It comes with even 3 bits. And then I bought an extra pack of bits. It's got a good, well, I don't know about good, but it's got a decent depth setting adjustment on it. Locks it in. Worked great. It's a lot of fun using it. I don't think I own another Ryobi tool. It's definitely not a Kubota, but it's still fun to use. Still fun to get outside, do some projects. Anyway, I just wanted to share it with you. I'll just speed up the whole process, let you watch it, give you a little bit of an explanation of how I put it together. And then I do have another video coming to you soon here. I got another little project that I'm working on. It's an old pull behind yard sprayer for like a lawnmower. I'm actually, I mean, it's not pretty, but it's gonna work, I think. I'm making it into a 3-point attachment for the back of the tractor. So hopefully I'll be done with that soon here, and I'll be sharing that with you. I had to take a little break from that project to put together a birthday gift that may or may not be liked. if you haven't yet, hit the like and subscribe, please. We'll see you.